Hey there, little piggies! Hey there, grown-ups! I'm Miss Kelly, and I'm back on the site of the world's first Peppa Pig theme park. We're gearing up to open on February 24th, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to my friend, Miss Altanese. We're going to take you on one last sneak peek today.
Today, we're going to show you the perfect place for Peppa's favorite activity, splashing muddy puddles. Let's go check it out.
Let's do it! The Muddy Puddles Splash Pad is a water play area with fountains, slides, and other watery surprises. It's the perfect way to cool down on those sunny days. Plus, this entire area has been graded for wheelchair use with accessible water tunnels and hoops. That way everybody can splish splash just like Peppa.
Oh, don't worry, grown-ups. These muddy puddles are much cleaner than the ones you've seen on TV. It's all water. We'll also have changing rooms right next to the fun.
We are so excited to open this park and the entire park very soon, but I know somebody who's even more excited than we are. Peppa! What do you think about your wonderful new water play area?
It's going to be oink-tastic, and we're just days away before we're all able to experience the muddy puddles.
Thank you for joining us for all these behind-the-scenes stories. We've had a blast taking you along.